Greetings, fellow YouTubers, AI enthusiasts, and people of the world. My name is Thor. In this YouTube video, I'm going to share with you one way to make money and become financially free with AI. The generic concept and technique is known as doing a faceless YouTube channel. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a camera, lighting equipment to record yourself or to attach your face, voice, or identity to a YouTube channel like this girl here to become epically successful as a YouTuber and become financially free. A faceless YouTube channel is what I'm doing right here. You can use a combination of free programs with your phone or computer to easily produce high-quality videos. Here is a list of all of the programs that I've used for my first 3 videos. Truthfully, you don't need to use fancy AI programs to build a boisterous, thriving, beastly YouTube, Rumble, or social media channel as a cash flow producing business. You don't even need to own your own phone or computer. CapCut is a free, incredible program for creating videos that you can download or create an online account with and access from a public library while your projects wait patiently for you in the clouds. It has free copyright-free stock footage you can use for your videos. If you go back to the beginning of my video, the majestic blue and white galaxy was from CapCut's free stock footage. Where it truly shines, however, is as a free video creation platform. Take a look at one of the stock videos inside CapCut, in this case a beautiful budding rose changing colors that you could potentially incorporate into a video. You don't even need to incorporate stock videos into your faceless YouTube channel. Many channels have tens or hundreds of millions of views using only free stock footage, with either their recorded voice over the top or a free AI voice, like my rich, kingly, masculine voice here, which I made for free with 11 Labs. Here are the types of images you can use for free from Pixabay, a free stock footage website. The most important element of your channel is your niche. It makes sense to choose something in a well-established field, subject, or an obvious emerging trend in the world. To maximize the effectiveness of YouTube's algorithm, you must choose one overall, all-encompassing channel theme. You should also choose a sub-theme. Mine, for example, if you watched my first video, is teaching people how to make money with AI with a sub-focus in using AI programs for content creation. Pixabay also has free music you can incorporate into your videos. This is truthfully my first time exploring their free music. You may be asking yourself, so how do we use AI in our faceless YouTube channels? So far, you've told us how we don't need AI. It's true. You don't. But haven't my AI videos of Thor made you want to learn how to do it? Check out these AI-generated thumbnails I made for my first 3 videos while experimenting with Playground AI today, while we listen to some groovy music that makes me want to go for a walk in a beautiful forest somewhere or explore a new city. Don't forget to check the description for the links to all of the programs I used and listed earlier to create my first 3 videos, including this one. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.